Yes.
What have you got for us, Paige?
I've got this, which everyone's probably been able to see, have they? No?
What is the
One of
secret?
these. Look at that.
Not sure what that is. Stick it in the box, mate. We're a bit fuzzy. AUSCISION. Now, this is one of your favourites,
Look at that.
isn't it?
It's a great Southern.
What does that mean?
Now, I'm going to show you. Look,
What?
look what I'm using.
What?
These are actually the special tweezers. Because I'm going to take...
Tweezers.
These are tweezers. I'm going to take
That
this
looks a
protective
lot like
foam
a side cutter. I was going to say, get those side cutters away from those handrails before you slip and...
and break them all off.
That's
Well,
my
I
trick.
wanted to just take out one side. We'll leave the other side in there. They're there for protection because these handrails are pretty delicate.
What are we looking at?
We are looking at an NR.
Yep. What does it mean?
No,
Do you know when it was released?
I don't know any history at all, but I do like it because it's pretty. And it's got the big kangaroo on
It
it.
does have a kangaroo.
And there's a good chance that this is going to appear in a different country.
A different country?
There's the front of it.
Ah.
It's gone travelling.
Are you taking it to Japan?
It's gone travelling,
It's going to have legacy.
isn't it?
Are you going to paint a little Hearns badge on it?
I don't know. Should I?
I don't know. I dare you to. Is it digital?
This is a DC one.
DC.
So I'm going to take it there so it's a bit
Is
easier
that
to run on the
because-
track.
A lot of the tracks in Japan are DC.
I think so.
Is it?
I think so.
They're not into the sound in that. I'm surprised. I thought that they'd be all over that.
I think Kodo have an option. And Marlon was right into it. He had all the sound chips and stuff. But
Young Marlon, I've got to
take
speak
it
to
DC.
Marlon today. He's been messaging me and I've been,
Oh, has he?
yeah, I've been absolutely
Oh, really?
ignoring him by mistake.
Oh, yeah. Well, there you go. So that's a new... Well, it's not that new anymore, but
Why
it's
not?
pretty special.
Well, it's probably coming out in the 70s.
No, I mean this in scale
Oh.
model.
What else you got?
Beautiful detail, though, wasn't it? Okay, let me put this foamy bit.
I
back
didn't
down.
put us in the box in. Did you notice that?
Did you?
Because you were zoomed right in, mate. If we,
Oh.
we can't fit in the box when you're zoomed that tight,
So that was my fault, was it?
looks out of proportion.
Oh,
Looks out of
I
proportion.
can't help it. That's the way I was born.
Thunder Turbine 88 just walked in the studio.
Has he?
Yeah.
I got one of these too.
We're in trouble now.
This is
We're,
from our...
we're talking trains with giraffe, and it's all going to go pear-shaped. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones.
We got this from the Mr. Badger.
Oh, Badger.
And we know all about these now, don't we? Because
You do.
Phil showed us
I've forgotten.
all the tricks about them.
Show me how you how do you clean the fluff out the wheels?
Well, you got to pull these out. Should I do it? No, I'm not going to do it.
It's scary.
but all these pop out. And this pops off to get to the chip.
The chip.
Yeah.
And you just do it with one hand.
Oh,
And you pop it back on.
yeah.
And the chip just plugs in.
That's right, because it's already got the socket in there.
How many pin socket
This
is it?
is a B class.
You failed.
How
I
many,
did
how
it.
many pins? Oh, no, I don't know. I can't remember.
I love the B class.
Yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they?
It looks like I don't know, it looks like a person. It looks like a dog, doesn't it? Just with the eyes and the nose and the
Yes.
commonly referred to as a headlight.
So this is going to look interesting going around Japanese layout. I would have liked
Why?
to take the V-line one, but the V-line ones are all sold out at the moment.
What does
But
SSR
SSR,
mean?
I think SSR is a private freighting company.
Freight company.
But B classes, lovely shape, isn't it? Double-ended.
Yes. Scotty Rawlins has just bought two. No, it's the wrong type of double. Jeez, I don't know.
Didn't check the photo.
No, he just read the description and got excited.